Let's talk about Julian Bowen Coxmoor solid oak nest of tables, oak. The Coxmoor nest of 3 tables is crafted from solid American white oak with edgeable oil finish. A wide range of coordinating items are available in the Julian Bowen Coxmoor range, making it ideal for any home situation. Simple self-assembly required, no extra tools needed. Dimensions: large DXWXH, 35 by 50 by 48 cm, medium DXWXH, 30 by 36 by 40 cm, small DXWXH, 22 by 25 by 32 cm. The tables are well constructed and solid. Unfortunately, the ones we received were darker and more orangey than pictured. The oil finish on the middle table and a couple of the legs was also uneven or incomplete. With quite a bit of hassle and delay involved, we eventually got a refund and sent the first ones back and reordered. The second order also had the same finish problem, this time with a stain on the middle table. I decided to sand out the stain and re-oil. Unfortunately, the oil they used to stain these seems to have a slightly orangey hue, so the sanded area is now much lighter than the rest of the table surface. I'll now have to sand down the whole table or maybe even all 3 tables and re-oil to get an even match. It's a bad day when you have to refinish brand new furniture, and after this I won't buy Julian Bowen product. Even more gorgeous looking in real life, easy to assemble and proper quality. Pride of place in my living room. I am so glad I went for these rather than cheaper furniture. Can't beat solid oak furniture. Quality always shines through. Would advise to check the size of the tables though, as they are smaller than I had imagined, so the smallest one is more like a stool for an elf than a table, but the dimensions are there for all to see, so can't complain. We are delighted with this nest of tables. The quality is excellent. It was delivered very well protected in its transit box, and it is probably the easiest to put together pieces of furniture I can remember. The reason being that everything aligns perfectly. There are just 4 bolts per table to screw in, with the supplied Allenki. 1 per leg. We chose this, as it appears to be the same product in the Furniture Village sale Larwood Oak Nest of 3 tables, which sells at $199 and $45 for delivery. The photos on both sites are exactly the same. I counted the rings in the wood. So this is excellent value, as well as top quality. Height recommended.